So notice anything different? I am in HD. I just purchased a Samsung digital camcorder, and I've been trying it out, and so now I'm in 720p. It has a 1080p, and I haven't been too happy with that. So it's a bit choppy, but it also has 1080p and then 720p and then standard. So 720 seems to work well, and then within that there's superfine, fine, and normal within each one. And I haven't seen a great difference in any of those yet. But and also there's a smart auto feature that's for removing a bit of the shakiness and also some light balancing. So right now I'm in 720p with the smart auto on. So yeah, and one of the nice features, very nice, is that there's the screen that I can look at, which is really nice for vloggers, because otherwise, you know, without being able to see, you're just kind of shooting blind. So and also I can pretty easily from here, well, I have two controls for looking at, for zooming and turning the record on and off. So all in all, it's pretty cool, and I'm excited. And I even shot a little bit with my old camera just to look at the difference of the two, and I'm pretty excited.